Opening statements began for 5 of the 14 suspects charged with the brutal murder of Bronx teen Lissandro Jr. Guzman Feliz. Nate Rogers caught up with Jr.'s family and supporters.
Bill, in court today, one of the defense attorneys said, yes, justice for Jr., but also justice for people not responsible for his death. Jr.'s parents entered the Bronx County Hall of Justice surrounded by at least a dozen supporters Monday. Antonio Santiago, Janaki Estrella, Jose Muniz, Manuel Rivera, and Elvin Garcia are all accused of stabbing the 15-year-old. During opening statements, the prosecutor called Jr.'s death an act of torture. District Attorney Morgan Dolan said Trinitarios gang members were armed with knives and a machete looking for members of a rival gang. Defense attorneys said there's no evidence to prove that there was intent to kill Jr. Also, his death was caused by a single stab wound to the neck. Thus, only the person responsible for the fatal wound should be held accountable.
If it's not intent to kill, if it was just like supposed to be like a rumble or something, why did they all have weapons? And knives and machetes.
What do you want to happen to the suspects?
Life in prison. Life. No bills.
All of them?
All of them. Life.
Jr.'s death gained national attention after gruesome surveillance video went viral. It showed the aspiring cop being dragged out of a Bronx bodega in June. Jr. was stabbed multiple times before collapsing and dying at a nearby hospital. The bodega owner was widely criticized for not intervening.
Junior never did harm to anybody. All he did was go to school, go to the Explorers program, training to become a police officer.
Also interesting in court, Guzman supporters say they witnessed at least one of the suspects turning around, looking at the family, making faces, smiling, almost trying to intimidate them.
The whole time I sat there, all they did was laugh. I just kept looking at the defendants. All they did was laugh.
And finally, Bill, a hearing for the additional 9 suspects who prosecutors say participated in the assault but did not stab Jr. is scheduled for next month. In the Bronx, I'm Nate Rogers for Chasing News.